U.S. Ambassador to Somalia. I've been here a little over a year myself. And as I was telling your commander a few moments ago in the meeting that we were having, we in our embassy here, the U.S. Embassy, we follow very closely every day everything that's happening in the battlefield. And we know how very much our Ugandan colleagues at the Ugandan People's Defense Force have been working so hard and sacrificing so much in defense of Mogadishu, this region, this country, and your homeland in Uganda. And I wanted to come today to let all of you know how much we Americans appreciate what you're doing. Uganda is a close ally for us. We really, really respect what you do. In a lot of countries, it's not just Somalia. Uganda is one of the most deeply respected militaries around the world for all that you do, and you're very professional in what you do. And what you've done recently, certainly in Barere, Sabitanuli, all these fights, these are hard fights, obviously. You were wounded in those fights. And we want you to know how much we're thinking about you, how much we pray for your recovery. We hope you'll have a chance to go see your families. And we're working closely with your commander to do everything we can to continue to support you in every way that we can. So I just want to say thank you on behalf of all the American people for what you've done.